Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a very small Target haul, and some crazy stuff happened, but I'm not going to talk about it on this video. I might do another paranormal video capturing the raw evidence, but anyway, let's get started with this Target haul. It's a small haul. So I went over there and I picked up more of the big gigantic Ajax dish soap. This is a big lemon one, so this is really good. It's a huge bottle, even though I have a lot of these already and I have overstock. If you look at my previous hauls, I buy a lot of dish soaps, but I like these as, you know, for my stockpile. And then this one here is the lime and vinegar one. So I picked up the green ones, lime and vinegar. This one's lemon. And then they have a whole bunch of new products out all the time, I see. But I decided to pick up 2 sets of Suave shampoo and conditioners. They have so many different kinds. I was going to buy more, but I just grabbed 2 of each kind to try. I picked up this green bottle. This is the Suave tea tree and hemp seed oil shampoo. I love tea tree. So I don't know if this smells like tea tree, but let me see. Oh yeah, you could definitely smell tea tree. Okay. So this is good for invigorating, antibacterial, you know, stuff. So I really love tea tree. So I figured I'll give that a try. That's the shampoo. And this one is the tea tree and then hemp seed oil conditioner. So it's like a nice green bottle. And these were $3 each at Target. Then I decided to pick this up. I never seen this one before. This is the Suave Carotene Infusion Smoothing Shampoo. Let's see what this one smells like. Smells really good. Like a perfumey floral scent. So I just picked up one of those. And then the last one is the conditioner. So that's what it looks like. They also have some new ones. It's called the Shine shampoos and conditioners. They're smaller and different scents. I'm going to go back later and buy more stuff. But right now, I just picked up this stuff for right now. And something crazy did happen. Like I said, that's going to be for a separate video. I want to make sure I record everything first before I ever upload it. But anyway, thanks for watching this quick little basic small Target haul. And I will talk to you guys later. Let me know if you ever tried any of these, if they work good or not. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.